Okay, we're now ready to start entering our grades for this class. Now, there are a couple of things you may want to do. One of which is that my friends here, my students here, typically when I enter the information for each student, I'm going to have a kid's test in front of me, and I'm just going to put down what he got on each test. However, one of the things you may notice when you enter, say for instance, John Adams got 5 out of 5, when I hit enter, it pops down to Sam Adams' grade. All right, which is a little bit problematic because I probably wanted to go straight across like this, 5 out of 5, enter, and then go all the way across. There is a simple way of fixing it so that it defaults out to move across the page. All right, and the way you do that is you click on any cell, you go to Data, Tools, Options, you go down to where it says Edit, and see here where it says Move After Enter Direction, you're going to have it move to the right. Say OK. So for instance, my student here got a 7 out of 7, and you get a 3 out of 3. Kid's a smart kid, 0 out of 0, and 0 out of 0. 3. And it goes across like that. All right, and you may notice that because I dragged down the sum that was done here, it's adding up all the kids' grades, and it's calculating a percentage as well. All right, so that's the first part. Now, so what we can do is we can actually just go along and add all of the data, and now that I've done this, when I look at the kids' test, I can just type in, hit enter, and it will go across, and I'll be able to very quickly add all the data. There is another thing you can do here, though, that's quite helpful. All right, so you can do it that way. Now, there is another situation that I actually noticed. I was helping Sue Tortorella with her tests, and I wanted to show you. She had a whole bunch of multiple choice questions, and they were all worth 3 points. All right, so I'm just going to drag this straight across. Okay, they were all worth 3 points. Now, the thing with this is, because they were all worth 3 points, most of the kids were going to wind up getting the questions correct. And maybe I just want to adjust where the kids got it wrong. In other words, fix the things that kids got wrong. So I'm going to go right-click, copy. And if I select all my students' grades, then I can go right-click, paste, and fill it. Oops. Actually, once I paste it in there, I can just drag it like this and drag it like this. And now all the kids have 3 points. Then all this question is going in and putting in where the kids got the grades, points taken off. All right, so that's another thing you can do, another way you can do this particular assignment. All right, if for instance, it's going to be like a true-false test and you either get 1 point or 0 points, that might be a way you want to do it. Just give the points to everybody, and then you just put in 0 to the people who got it wrong. All right, so that's the end of this particular thing. This should help you when it comes time to enter your